multiple talents in that.
Can you imagine?
Can you cook as well, yeah?
A little bit. Not as good as Mumsy, but I can rock some, you know? Sit down, stay a while, keep it right there. All this love I have to give, I'm gonna take you there. Gonna take you all the way up until you can go down there. I'm gonna give you right. My name on this door, but this show is for everyone. Like, I handpicked everyone especially to be a part of this night because each and every one of you are amazing, from the dancers to the musicians to everyone in the team. Thank you so much. I'm trying not to get emotional. It's been a long time coming for me to get to this point, and to have every single one of you in this room at this moment means the world to me. Please go out there and shine. You are all amazing, gifted, spectacular in what you do. This is your show as well as mine. Thank you so much for being here, for the madness that was today, the lateness. Thank you so much for putting up with it. Thank you so much for being here and lending me your talents. Just go out there and be amazing. I can't say thank you enough. Just go out there and be absolutely amazing. Tonight, again, is for you. I know this is cheesy, but I see this in my head, and if I don't do it, then I might never have a moment. So let's put it in. Yes, yeah, I'll just spoil it. Are we gonna say record box after 3? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Record box. I'm gonna make this last. Talking fast. But you gonna give it up. Good voice. Come over, come over, come over, come over, come over. Nice. Yeah? Nice.
I suppose you're not even giving...
Oh, I'm not, man. That's like 10. I'm gonna go. So in terms of volume, you can take me down now.
Give me a bit more. Just...
Come on! That's done for now, I guess. Yeah?
Sure, I can be able to
cool, man. Cool, man.
With the vibe.
Yeah, man. But I'm good. I'm good for now.
Tell the people what's going on right now.
We're doing sound check right now. We're working through the sound. Yeah, man, just running through guitarist, drummer, me, and keys. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Oh, tell me.